discuss current problems if 0 is included. Okay, in this one we are taking first example is using 0 to 8. First problem is what? Find 4-digit total number. Okay, in this one we have two part, repetition not allowed, second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, in this one we have second problem is find 4-digit even number. Here also we have two part, repetition not allowed, second is what? Repetition allowed. Third problem is what? Find 4-digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Here also we have two part, repetition not allowed, second is what? Repetition allowed. And fourth problem is what? Find 4-digit number divisible by 4. Here also we have two part, repetition not allowed and repetition allowed. Okay, now here if you check here 0 is included. Whenever 0 is included, always you have to take care of 0. So first problem is find 4-digit total number. Okay, in this one we have two part, repetition not allowed, second is what? Repetition allowed. So first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay, so first part is what? Repetition not allowed. Okay, we want 4-digit number. That means you have to take 4 place. This one is first place, this one is second place, this one is third place, this one is what? Fourth place. Okay, we want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. Your task is what? You have to fill all the 4 place. Okay, now digits are given is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 9 digits are given. Okay, among 9 digits 0 is there, so always you have to take care of 0. Okay, so whenever 0 is coming, you have to take care of 0. For example, if 0 is coming at 4th place, if 0 is coming at 4th place, now remaining 3 place we have to put non-zero number, because repetition is not allowed. If repetition is not allowed, that means 0 can't repeat again. Okay, that means these 3 places we have to put non-zero number. For example, at this place we are putting 8, second place we are putting 4, and first place we are putting 1. Okay, so we got 0, 8, 4, 1. Okay, so this number is what? 3-digit number, but we want 4-digit number. Okay, so whenever 0 is coming at 4th place, we will get 3-digit number, but we want 4-digit number. That means 0 should not come at 4th place. Okay, so here restriction is what? 0 should not come at 4th place. So first you have to fill 4th place. Okay, so out of 4 place you have to fill first 4th place. Okay, now if you are filling 4th place, at 4th place 0 will not come. Other than 0 we can put 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, and 8 also. Okay, so other than 0, how many choice we have? 8 choice. So for filling 4th place we have 8 choice. Okay, your task is what? You have to fill all the 4 place, correct? That means you have to use multiplication sign. Okay, now you are filling this place. Okay, after filling 4th place, you can start from any other place. You can fill 3rd also, you can fill 2nd also, you can fill 1st also. Okay, I am filling 3rd. Okay, now if you are filling 3rd place, okay, now suppose at this place, at 4th place 2 is coming. Okay, now at this place 2 can't come because 2 will not repeat here. Okay, other than 2 we can put any number here. We can put 0 also, 1 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, and 8 also. How many number we can put here? 8 numbers. Okay, suppose here 3 is coming. Okay, now you have to fill 2nd place also. Then again you have to use multiplication because your task is not over. Okay, now you have to fill this place also. Okay, now here 2 and 3 will not repeat because repetition is not allowed. Okay, then other than 2 and 3 we can put any number here. We can put here 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 7 numbers. Okay, so at this place how many choice we have? 7 choice. Again we have to use multiplication because we have to fill this place also, correct? For example, at this place we are getting 1, correct? That means 2, 3, 1. Okay, so 2, 3, 1 will not repeat because repetition is not allowed. That means this place how many number we can put? We can put 0, we can put 4, we can put 5, we can put 6, we can put 7, we can put 8. Okay, for filling this place how many choice we have? We have 6 choice, so into 6. So that is your answer. Now second part is repetition allowed. Okay, now we are solving second part, that is repetition allowed. Okay, here also we want 4-digit total number where repetition is allowed. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. That means you are taking 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what? First place, this is second place, this is third place, and this is what? Fourth place. Okay, you want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. Okay, now digits are given is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 9 digits are given. Okay, in this one 0 is there. Okay, that means you have to take care of 4th place. because at fourth place 0 will not come. Okay, so first we will fill fourth place only. Okay, now at fourth place we can put what? 1, we can put what? 2 also, we can put 3 also, we can put 4 also, we can put 5 also, we can put 6 also, we can put 7 also, we can put 8 also, correct na? That means out of 9 digits we can put 8 digits here. Okay, so for filling fourth place how many choice we have? 8 choice, correct na? Suppose here 2 is coming, correct na? Now we will have to fill other 3 place also. Your task is what? Filling all the place. That means if you fill fourth place, your task is what? No. That means you have to use multiplication. Now you have to fill third place also. Okay. Now repetition is allowed. That means 2 can repeat here. Okay. That means at third place we can put 0. Yes. 1 also we can put, 2 also we can put, 3 also we can put, 4 also we can put, 5 also we can put, 6 also we can put, 7 also we can put, and 8 also we can put here. That means for filling third place, okay, how many choice we have? 9 choice. Okay, so what will come? 9. Now again we have to use product because we have to fill second and first also. Okay, so your task is what? Filling second and first also. That's why we are using product sign, correct na? Now for second place also we can put any number, correct na? Because we can put 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, correct na? So here also we can put 9 numbers, correct? Correct. Again multiplication, we have to fill first place also. Okay, for filling first place also we have how many choice? 9 choice. 0 to 9, 0 to 8. Okay, how many choice we have? 9. So what is the answer? 8 into 9 cube. Okay, so if repetition is allowed, then answer is what? 8 into 9 cube. Next problem is find 4-digit even number. Okay, here we have two part, repetition not allowed, second part is repetition allowed. Okay, so first we are solving repetition not allowed. Okay, so first part is repetition not allowed. Okay, now we want 4-digit number. Okay, that means you are taking 4 place, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. Okay, that means your task is what? Filling all the 4 place. And now given is what? We want find 4-digit even number. So we want even number also, correct? We want 4-digit even number. Okay, when even number is possible? If at first place we will put even number. Okay, so we want even number. That means at first place we have to put only even digits. Okay, now given digits is what? 0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so out of 9 digits, 1 digit is what? 0. Okay, that means you have to take care of 0. Okay, so we can say that at fourth place 0 should not come, because at fourth place if 0 is coming, we can say that that number will what? 3-digit number will come. Okay, but we want 4-digit number. So what you have to take care? At fourth place 0 should not come. Second thing what you have to take care? At first place we have to put even number. Okay, that means you have to take care of 2 things. Okay, first place also and fourth place also. Okay, that means if there are 2 or more condition, that means for solving that problem we have to make case. Okay, so we are making case. Case 1 is what? Okay, unity place is 0. Unity place is 0. Okay, that means out of 4 place, at unity place we are putting 0. Okay, so for filling unity place, how many ways are there? Only one way. Okay, we want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 3 place, correct? Remaining 3 place also you have to fill, correct? That means your task is not over. Okay, now given is what? Repetition not allowed. That means we can't repeat 0. Okay, that means if you want to fill second place, okay, so except 0 we can put any numbers. So how many numbers are remaining? 8 numbers. Okay, so out of 8 numbers we can put any one number here. So for filling second place, how many choice we have? 8 choice. Okay, task is over? No, because we have to fill other 2 place also. So what will come? Multiplication. Okay, now out of 1 to 8 numbers, one number is coming here. For example, 6 is coming here. Okay, so we can't repeat 6 and 0, correct? That means for filling third place, okay, except 0 and 6, how many numbers are remaining? How many numbers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 numbers are remaining. That means for filling third place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. So into 7. Okay, now you have to fill fourth place also. So what will come? Multiplication. Okay, suppose third place is coming as 5, correct? Now you have to fill fourth place. Okay, repetition is not allowed. That means out of 9 digits, 3 digits are coming already. Okay, that means remaining is what? 6 digits. Okay, so for filling fourth place, how many choice we have? 6 choice, correct? So what will come answer? 6 into 7 into 8 into 1. Okay, so this is case 1 answer. Okay, Now second case is what? Case 2 is what? Because we want even number, that means first place is coming 0 or first place is either 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, at first place either we put 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so we have 4 place. Okay, now we have to fill first this place. Okay, so unity place we have to fill first. Okay, at unity place we can put either 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so how many choice we have? 4 choice. Okay, so out of 2, 4, 6, 8, suppose 2 is coming here. Okay, now you have to take care of fourth place, because at fourth place we can't put 0. Okay, next thing we have to fill fourth place. Okay, now we know that repetition is not allowed. Suppose 2 is coming at unity place, that means 2 will not repeat. Okay, now at this place we can't put 0, so how many numbers are remaining? So 2 and 0 we can't put, that means we can put 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can put how many numbers? 7 numbers. So for filling fourth place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. Correct? So out of 7 number, suppose here 1 is coming. Correct? Now you have to fill third place. Okay, so what you have to do? Multiplication. Okay, you have to fill third place also. Now here 1 and 2 will not repeat. Okay, now you have to fill third place. Okay, third place we can put 0. Yes. Okay, so for filling third place, how many choice we have? We can put 0 also. We can't put 1, we can't put 2, but we can put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many choice we have? 7 choice. So for filling third place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. Okay, into. Now out of 9 numbers, correct? 3 numbers is gone. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 numbers is gone. Now how many numbers are remaining? 6. Okay, so for filling second place, how many digits are there? 6. Okay, so how many choice we have? 6. So what is them? Into 6. So what is the answer? 7 into 7 into 6 into 4. Okay, so final answer is what? Case 1 plus case 2. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 8 plus 7 into 7 into 6 into 4. This is your answer. Case 1 plus case 2. That is your final answer. Second part is repetition allowed. Okay, so now we are doing second part, that is repetition allowed. Okay, now here also we want 4-digit even number where repetition is allowed. Okay, so we want 4-digit number, that means you are taking 4 place. First, second, third and fourth. Okay, so we want 4-digit number, that means you have to fill all the 4 place. That means your task is what? Filling all the 4 place. Okay, now here we want even number. Okay, that means first number should be what? Even. Okay, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we have 9 digits. Out of 9 digits, 1 digit is what? 0. Okay, that means we have to take care of 4th place, because at 4th place 0 should not come. Okay, now here repetition is allowed. Okay, so whenever repetition is allowed, then no need to make case. Okay, directly we can do. Okay, so out of 4 place, okay, at first place either we can put 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Correct? So out of 5 numbers, 1 number we are putting here. Okay, so for filling first place, how many choice we have? 5 choice. Okay, suppose here 2 is coming here. Correct? And repetition is allowed. Okay, we have to fill other place also. That means you have to use multiplication. Okay, so 2 can repeat again. Okay, so for filling second place, how many choice we have? Okay, we can put 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also. Okay, so how many choice we have? 9 choice. Okay, again multiplication. We have to fill third place also. Okay, so for third place also, how many choice we have? 9 choice, because repetition is allowed. Okay, again multiplication. Fourth place. Okay, at fourth place we have to take care, because at fourth place we can't put 0. Okay, other than 0 we can put any number. Correct? Because repetition is allowed. So how many choice we have for this one? 8 choice. So what is the answer? 8 into 9 into 9 into 5. This is your answer. Next problem is find 4-digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay, here also we have 2 parts. First part is repetition not allowed, second part is repetition allowed. Okay, so first we are doing first part, repetition not allowed. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. Okay, that means you are taking 4 place. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, now here we want 4-digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. That means from here we can say that at fourth place should be what? Either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Correct? It should not be 7, 8, 9, or it should not be 1 and 2. Okay. That means at fourth place how many number we can put? 4 numbers. Okay. So at this place how many number we can put? 4 numbers. Okay. Now here repetition is allowed. Okay. So out of 3, 4, 5, 6, one number we are putting here. Suppose we are putting here 3. Okay. And repetition is not allowed. That means 3 will not repeat again. Okay. Now you have to fill other place also. That means you have to use multiplication because your task is not over. Okay. Now you are filling third place. Okay. So 3 will not repeat. Okay. Now other than 3, what we can put? We can put 0 here. 1 also. 2 also we can put. 4 also we can put. 5 also we can put. 6 also we can put. 7 also we can put. 8 also we can put. Okay. So other than 3, how many numbers are there? 9 numbers. Okay. So we can't put 3 here. That means for filling third place, how many choice we have? 8 choice. Correct? Into 8. Into will come. Okay. Suppose here 0 is coming. Correct? Now you have to use multiplication. Okay. Now we can say that 3 and 0 will not repeat again because repetition is not allowed. Okay. Now you have to fill second place. Okay. Now out of 9 numbers, 3 and 0 we can't put. Then remaining is what? 7 number. Okay. So for filling second place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. Okay. Now suppose we are putting here 2. Okay. Now you have to fill first place also. So what you have to do? Multiplication. Okay. Now 3, 2 and 0 we can't repeat again. Okay. That means for filling first place, how many choice we have? Either we can put 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Out of 9 number, 3 number we can't put. 3, 0, 2 we can't put. So remaining is what? 6 number. Okay. For filling first place, how many choice we have? 6 choice. So what is the answer? 4 into 8 into 7 into 6. This is your answer. Now we are doing second part. Second part is repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. Okay. Here also what we want? Find 4-digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000 if repetition is allowed. Okay. So we want 4-digit number. That means you are taking 4 place. Okay. So this one is what? First place. This one is second place. This one is third place. And this one is what? Fourth place. Okay. So we want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. Okay. That means your task is what? Filling all the 4 place. Okay. Now here we want 4-digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay. So according to this one, we can say that fourth place we can put either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That means for filling fourth place, how many choice we have? Only 4 choice. Correct. So what will come? 4. Okay. Your task is over? No. You have to fill other place also. What will come? Multiplication. Suppose at fourth place 3 is coming. Okay. And repetition is allowed. Okay. Now you want to fill third place. Okay. Now third place what we can put? We can put 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also. Okay. How many number we can put? 9 numbers. So how many choice we have? 9 choice. Again multiplication because we have to fill second place also. Okay. For filling second place also we have 9 choice. We can put any number from here. Okay. And again multiplication because to fill first place also we have to fill. Okay. How many choice we have? 9 choice. So what is the 4 into 9 into 9 into 9. Okay. But out of these number, one number is what? Suppose first place is what? 3. Okay. And here we can put 9 number. So one of the number is what? 0. Okay. And here also we can put 9 number. So one of the number is what? 0. And here also we can put 9 numbers. So one of the number is what? 0. Okay. So out of these numbers, one number is what? 3000. But we want number should be what? Greater than 3000. Okay. But in this case, we will get 3000 also. So what we will do? Minus 1. Minus 1 because of we will get 3000 in this one. Okay. If this number is 3 and other number is what? 0, 0, 0. So we'll get 3000. So that's why we are subtracting because we want number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. 7000 is not possible. Okay. Suppose we want to equal 7000. Okay. If we want 7000, then what you have to do? Plus 1. Okay. Last problem is find 4-digit number divisible by 4. Okay. Here also we have 2 parts. First part is repetition not allowed. Second part is repetition allowed. Okay. So first we are doing repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Okay. So first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay. Now we want 4-digit number. That means you are selecting 4th place. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first place. This is second place, third place, and fourth place. Okay. We want 4-digit number. That means you have to fill all the 4 place. Okay. So you have to fill all the 4 place. That means your task is what? Filling all the 4 place. Okay. Second thing what we want, number should be divisible by 4. Okay, a number is divisible by 4 if last two digits are divisible by 4. That means these two place any number is coming that should be divisible by 4. Okay, now here we have to take care of what, because digits is given is what, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 0 is here. Okay, that means you have to take care of 0. Okay, now out of first and second place any place is 0 is there. That means at fourth place we can put any number. But if these two places is non-zero, that means you have to take care of fourth place because 0 can't come here. Okay, so here we have to make two cases. Correct? Because there are two conditions. One condition is what, we have to take care of 0. Second condition is what, number should be divisible by 4. Okay, so case 1 is what? Okay, first or second digit, second place contain 0. Okay, and case 2 is what? Case 2 is what? First or second place not contain 0. Not contain 0. And second thing we want, these two digits should be what, divisible by 4. Okay, so we will find out combination. Okay, so what are the combination possible? Okay, 0 4. Okay, 0 8 and 0 0 also possible because if repetition is allowed. Okay, if repetition is allowed, 0 0 also possible because any number last two digits are 0 0. So this number is what, divisible by 4. Okay, and 0 4 0 8 we are writing separately because in these digits 0 is there. Okay, then 1 2 1 6 2 0 we are writing with 0 only. 2 4 2 8 then 3 2 3 6 4 0 44 we are writing if repetition is allowed. Okay, then 48 52 56 60 64 68 72 76 80 84 88 92 and 96 is not possible because 9 is not there. Okay, so how many digits are there? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so how many digits are there? 14. Okay, and these are how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and these are 3 digits. Correct? Now case 1, if you come, first or second place contains 0. Okay, that means there are 4 places. Okay, so these two places, okay, out of these two places one of the places what, 0 is there. Okay, so how many combinations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so for filling these two places how many combinations are there? 6 combination. Okay, now you have to use multiplication because you have to fill other place also. Okay, now 0 is gone here. Correct? So 0 is gone. Okay, and out of these numbers one number is also gone. Okay, that means this place how many number we can put? Okay, so 0 is gone. Okay, and out of 8 number one number is also gone. Correct? Then remaining is what? 7 number. So this place how many number we can put? 7. So how many choice we have? 7. Again into. Okay, so out of 9 numbers 3 number is gone. Okay, that means for filling 4th place how many choice we have? 6 choice into 6. Okay, second case is what? So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 6. Okay, second case is what? First or second place not contain 0. Okay, so that means these two places how many number we can put? How many combination we have? 14 combination. Okay, so what will come? 14. Again multiplication because we have to fit other place also. Okay, and repetition is not allowed. Okay, we are taking care of repetition not allowed. Okay, now there are non-zero numbers. Okay, that means we have to take care of 0. That means at this place 0 should not come. That means we have to fill first this place. Okay, now out of 8 numbers 2 number is gone. Okay, and at this place we can't put 0. Correct? How many number is gone? 3 number is gone. That means for filling 4th place how many choice we have? 6 choice. Okay, because we can put 6 number only. Okay, then multiplication, then we have to fill 3rd place also. Okay, now here we can put 0. Correct? So here suppose 2 number is gone here and 1 number is gone here. Okay, then how many numbers are remaining? 6 numbers. So how many number we can put here? 6 numbers. So we have 6 choice. So 6 into 6 into 14. So what is the answer? 6 into 6 into 14. Now what we will do? Case 1 plus case 2. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 6 plus 6 into 6 into 14. This is your answer. Case 1 plus case 2. Second part is repetition allowed. Okay, so now we are doing second part, that is repetition allowed. Okay, here also we want 4-digit number. Okay, so that means we have 4 place, 1 2 3 4, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, that means we have to fill all the 4 place because we want 4-digit number. That means your task is about filling all the 4 place. Okay, now we want number should be divisible by 4. That means last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Okay, now here repetition is allowed. Okay, that means no need to make case. Okay, that means how many combination we can put instead of these 2 place. Okay, so these are what, 6 plus 14 plus 3, so what will come, 23. Okay, so how many combination will come, 23. Okay, your task is over? No, you have to fill other 2 place also. So what will come, multiplication. Okay, now at this place how many number we can put, because repetition is allowed. Okay, so except we can put all the numbers, and how many number we can put, 9 numbers. Okay, so for filling third place how many choice we have, 9 choice. Again multiplication because we have to fill 4th place also. Okay, but at 4th place we can't put 0. If we put 0 here, we'll get 3-digit number. So except 0 we can put any numbers. Okay, so at 4th place how many number we can put, 8 numbers. So what is the answer, 8 into 9 into 23. This is your answer if repetition is allowed.